Hello friends, I'm Naishek from blogtoot.com and welcome to another amazing video. In this video, we'll see how to create a business email and how to link that to gmail.com. Now, a business email is really cool because at the end in the extension, you don't have gmail.com or yahoo.com. Rather, you have your own website. For example, how does a business mail look like? It would look something like this: mail@yourwebsite.com, okay, or maybe contact@yourwebsitename.com or support@yourwebsitename.com. Okay, so that really looks awesome. And whenever you create a business mail, you get default providers like Roundcube and so on. So you have to use those service providers to access your business mail. But in this video, I'll show you both the things: how to create a business mail for free and also how to link that to Gmail, so that you can create your business email and you can link that to Gmail and you can receive and send emails through that through Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. It is very easy to do so, and it is applicable to all the companies, whether you're using any hosting provider, whether it is TMD, HostGator, SiteGround, Bluehost, whatever company you're using, the steps are all the same. Okay, so let's get started. First, open a new tab and go to your cPanel link. Now, if you don't know what is your cPanel link, what you can do, you can type in your website name /cPanel. Okay, it will redirect you to your cPanel. So type in your website name /cPanel. Now, as I said it has redirected me to my cPanel. Now put in your username and password over here and click on login. Alright, so this is your cPanel. Now, as you can see, all the companies are using this cPanel. Okay, here at the top it says cPanel. So as I said you earlier, whether you're using any hosting provider, Hostinger, SiteGround, Bluehost, TMD, HostGator, whatever you're using, you'll see a very similar screen over here. Now, cPanel is divided into different sections. Now what you have to do, you have to go to this section, email section, and here you'll see this thing over here, email accounts. Now if you don't see this over here, if you cannot find it, what you can do, you can just press Ctrl F on your keyboard and type in email account. Okay, now as you can see, it will show you that here it is. Okay, so open this thing. Now here you can create a new email. Now if you see, I have already created one, contact@naishek.com. Now if you want to create a new, you can just click over here, add email address, and here you can put anything. For example, let me put this time support@naishek.com. Here you can see your website. So it is support@naishek.com, and here you have to put in the password. So let me put a password very quickly. All right. Now let's retype this password over here. Fine. Now you can give a quota, mailbox quota. You can increase or decrease this. This is in MB, so it is 1000 MB, around 1 GB. If you want to make it unlimited, you can click this. Okay, but I want to make it 1 GB. Okay, so now let's click on this button which says create account. Alright guys, now as you can see here, it says success account support@gmail.com, support@naishek.com has been created. Now let me copy this mail from here and let's see how to do other options. Okay, you will see this configuration option over here, but you don't have to do anything over here. Now directly go to gmail.com. Alright, so this is my Gmail. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this gear icon. You will find this gear icon at the top right corner, and here it is. Just click on this gear icon. It is settings. Now under this, click on settings. Okay, so this is how your screen would look like. Now here we have different options. What you have to do, you have to click on over here, accounts and import. Now if you go over here, if you see here, it will show you that check email from other account, and I have already created one and I have already connected this one, contact@naishek.com. Now if you want to add a mail account, a new mail account, or if you want to connect a new mail account like we want to do this, so you can click on this link, add a mail account. You'll get this pop up over here. Now paste in the email address over here, click on next. Now first let's just continue. Again, make sure this thing is selected, import emails from my other account, and click on next. Now here you have username, password, and POP server. Now in the username, you have to paste in the email address. in the password, just type in the password which we have just recently set. Okay, and here in the POP server, make sure it is mail.yourwebsitename.com. okay, and in the port, now this differs. So what happens is, basically it is 110 for normal people, but if you have this SSL certificate, in my case I do have a SSL certificate, so I'll have to select a different thing from here. Okay, so I'll select 995 from here. Okay, now select this thing, and what we can do, leave a tick mark this thing. Okay, leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. Also tick mark this thing. Okay, always use a SSL when retrieving mail. Now if you don't have this certificate, SSL certificate on your website, if you don't have HTTPS, if you have only HTTP, then you don't have to tick mark this. Okay, then third one, it says label incoming messages. Yeah, very important, because all the messages will be coming in the same account, so it should label that this email is from this account. Okay, you'll understand these things later on when we send and receive emails. Okay, so put in your username as your email address, password, and mail.yourwebsitename as the server, and tick mark the first three things and click on add account. Now here you can change the name. At present here my name is given. I can change this name, I can put in my company's name, and so on. So it's all up to you. Now click on next step. Alright, now here you have to do something like your SMTP server. What is your SMTP server? Your username and password. So for username, we'll put in the same username and password, that is the email address and the password. And in the SMTP server, by default it is only my website name, so I want mail.websitename. Okay, so I'll type in mail.neyashik.com or mail.yourwebsitename.com. Now we have to select this port from here. Now if you're using TMD, or if you're using most of the companies, what you'll do, what you'll get is, let me explain you this. Now let me go back over here in the cPanel, and let me go to email accounts. Here it is. Okay, so I have created this contact@neyashik.com, sorry, this one, support@neyashik.com. Now let me access this webmail. So let's see what happens. Okay, now as I said you earlier, we get three different companies. You can use these to access your email account. So let me use this one, Roundcube. Okay, now as you can see over here, whenever you create a new email account, you'll get this mail. So you can open this and it will help you to configure. Okay, so as you can see, if you have a SSL certificate, you have this configuration setting. If you don't have an SSL certificate, you have this configuration setting. Okay, so we have put the username, we have put the password, and we have put this port number, if you remember, 995. Now we have to put this thing, outgoing server, and here you can see the port number is 465. So here, instead of this, let me bring this. So instead of 587, let's put 465, because as you can see over here, it says 465 should be the port number. Okay, that's why. So make sure you check your email address from here so that you get all this mail. Okay, and here you have to select whether you have SSL certificate or not. So I have an SSL certificate, so I'll select the first one. Now click on add account. Alright, now this will send a code on your email address. So let's see. Let me go back over here to my inbox. Let me refresh this. Alright, now as you can see, here is the mail. You can open this, and here you'll see the confirmation code. So let's copy this code from here, and let's go to this window. Let's paste it over here. Click on verify. Now this window will automatically close. Now as you can see, now let's come back over here on Gmail, and here you can see this email address is also added. Okay, so we have support@neyashik.com. Now you can check mail now. So click on check mail now. Now you can see one email address, one email has been fetched. Okay, so this has worked for us. Now let's come back to the inbox. Now as you can see here, we get this when you go to update, here we have this new mail. And here you can see the label support@neyashik.com. So you can see, okay, so this email is coming to this account, and here we have some different label, contact@neyashik.com. So very, very useful. Okay, so this thing has worked, and this is how you do, this is how you create a business mail. and this is how you link it to Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up to this video. Also click on that red subscribe button, because I have many special and useful things coming up in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, any queries, any request for me, if you want me to make a video on special subjects or any kind of video, any kind of website and so on, you can leave your request, your comments, your suggestions, your queries in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you soon.